Some Star China company, the Paragon China, made probably between around 1904 and 1912 on these marks, in this very pretty pastel floral design with shell scalloped rims, these really deep rotated irregular scalloping rolling rims. Really nice delicate pattern, as you can see here, classic for the time, almost extending out with this branch like thing, looks like cracked ice almost at the edge. Nice gilt detailing around the rims, heavy 24 karat gold used on these pieces, and it's still in very nice condition. If I get a glaze reflection, you can see the glaze is in good fine condition as well. Hardly a knife mark on these two, and they're two matching ones that support the sale of the very pretty and beautiful shell moulded teacup trios that we've got in this particular design. Really nice clean underside, no Paragon Star China marks on either of these two pieces. Still got its ID label on for us when we put these into storage, but both of them in really nice condition. All the measurements we'll have on the website listing. They've got this little bit of, you can see this ribbed moulding that just comes out to the where the scallops come in and meet those. It's really nicely done, slightly elevated and raised, just gives that extra little bit of texture to these cake plates rather than being just very flat. And as you can see, they're quite curved if I put it onto the side elevation as well, elevating up to well over an inch tall on the deepest section of these two. So lovely things, nice period pieces of the Paragon China, very rare, difficult to find, and in this condition makes them even more special. If you're looking at the teacups, do consider these to support the sale. They will display very nicely in front of or behind your teacup trio. Thanks for watching.